Hey, this is Steve, the other chopstick guy, with your small bite for today. And today we're talking about things that you often overlook in the summertime and things that are really important to pay attention to in the summertime. So we're out here shooting in this beautiful grotto. I've got Nella here, my beautiful model, and I want to shoot a headshot with her. I'm going to actually take a shot and then tell you what happened here. We see this happen all the time when we're teaching workshops. So Nella looks great in between all these grapes. I'm going to go ahead and shoot a shot with her. I think, oh, that looks fantastic, until I look at the camera and think, oh no, or I get home and I look at the pictures and think, oh no. In fact, if you can see Nella here, she's got this bright spot on her nose, right? It's like, it's the highlight of her face, exactly, just is standing out. I don't want that, but often when I'm shooting, I'm so excited about shooting, I don't notice those things. But watch this. Nella, follow me with your nose. All right, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming, right there, perfect. I haven't really changed position, but when I fire this shot off, perfection. Right now I don't have that highlight on her nose anymore. These are the things you want to pay attention to. Look for highlights and shadows, and I guarantee there'll be a lot less work on the back end when you're processing your pictures. So this was Steve, the other chopstick guy, with your small bite for today.